Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this marble tray, and this is such a neat idea because it can be used in the bathroom, the kitchen, living room, really anything. And it's so simple and elegant. It looks like this. It's just really pretty. It is a piece of marble and it measures like 13 inches here by 7.87 inches on this side. And you can put it really, like I said, you can put this anywhere. It's got non-slip grips on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. You can put nice things like makeup things. You can put facial items. And it just really adds this beautiful display when you were into a room. It's not really that heavy. It's got nice golden handles on it. Bring in close and we'll take a real good look at it. So when this arrives, it comes in this really nice spongy material. So that way it just keeps it protected, but it also would be really great for a gift to be able to put it inside of there for a nice gift wrapping. So the surface of this is a nice polished, smooth marble, which is waterproof and rust proof. And the handles are a nice metal, so they're not going to get deformed or messed up or anything because that is a hard metal. So this is a really durable piece of decor that you can put in any room. And the polished marble is really nice and smooth across all of the edges. It would be a great gift for anybody.